Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.7% against the yen. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the oil gain 0.6% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
India's gold demand in 2023 could fall 10% from a year ago to their lowest in 3 years, as record high prices are dampening retail purchases, the World Gold Council said. The Australian dollar slipped after the Reserve Bank of Australia left cash rates unchanged, while the yen fell to a 3-week low as the Bank of Japan's steps last week to tweak its yield curve control policy continued to weigh on the currency. Defunct crypto exchange FTX has proposed to organize its creditors into different classes of claimants and has provided a pathway for one class of claimants to restart the FTX exchange with third-party investors, should the group agree to it.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ADP employment change will be released at 12:15 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 hours GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 0700 hours GMT. The Portuguese current account balance will be released at 0940 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.